Suranggono, media friends mga kambay. Pero, sunggaw sa Roman kami. Sung tini TSF nenggoy, sung press meet sa mga kumansi. Ini ang sakha naman sa Matia, General Secretary, TIPRA Organization. Tiyan lawat nenggo ang President, Mr. Samrat. Joint Secretary, Mr. Venu. Town and Police Committee, Vice President, Mr. Munis. So today press meet kami komasi. Talsa sekang sung TSF nenggoy sung 12-hour statewide strike up. Public only support Hamzakma various student organization, social organization support by. Sin is a movement. 12 hours of success. Going back with someone. Sini Hamzakma they khak Hamzakma. They media orang aku, jeng hamba ya. Tanah hamale nirok seno coverage kaya sini je movement no. Hasil kan angin nirok penungan boleh nirok hamba. Jeng sini strike, jeng successful nak anda itu masuk. Naga government of state TIPRA borok tak sedora, semua respon misalnya. Jeng main di sini sini movement Roman student itu senjata kami takut. Sini division wise, sini railing tu, tebon ni perokes governor apa sini member ni Jafar. Haifan government ro sini korang kena yang bagai, bangun kaze 12-hour strike simpel kayak ni. Talsa seta 28 August. Government ro almost seta. Sini movement, sini korang nak kena yang ke sembus dengan installor. Tiga, sini movement kota nak kena ni sembus installor aja tunggu. Seng government nak bar-bar appeal thay. Haifan borok tak sudah. Borok kebangga student organization, social organization, borok semua support. Haifan government takkan stream. Omo sini. Native indigenous people ni same movement. This is not only a movement of native indigenous people of the state. I will request our brother of the Bengali community, brothers and sisters, to participate even in this movement. You all know the importance of language because we all have experiences. We have seen in the past the Basa Andalon. Why this movement took place? Because we all love our language, we all respect our language. So I appeal our Bengali brothers and sisters also to participate in this movement. You all also have sacrificed and know the grievances of the movement during the time of Basa Andalon. So we the native indigenous people also, to preserve our language, we are fighting for our rights for more than 50 years. So I want you all also to support it. I would like to appeal the government of TIPRA and government of India to look into this matter. Why are we neglected? Why are our demands neglected? We question the government of India and government of TIPRA. Boni bagai, sing appeal kaya government no. Sini je demand no. Seriously, sharing aja bagai. Sing talsa setang sini movement, sing 12-hour strike, sini tak apa. Bus kang salah, sing khak aja. Sini tu coba kota unai ni. And we have seen the national party are not in favor of this demand. The NSUI have supported us. We have seen the removal of the state president from the Congress party, the student wings, NSUI. I don't understand what are the national party want to pass the message to the native indigenous people of the state. Are they not in favor of the native indigenous people of the state in TIPRA or Northeast state. For all this reason, we appeal and request the government of TIPRA and government of India to look into this matter very seriously. If not, we are ready to go for greater movement again.